Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through a Sea Ray 250 SPX. This boat has a Mercury 300 V8 on the back, sea deck on the swim platform. We have the bow and transom sprayer option, stone interior package. Moving forward, we have the Infinity woven carpeting. This boat has a bimini top. We have the premium audio sound package on this boat with the 9-inch Simrad display, GPS, chart plotter, depth finder. 250 SPX has a really nice spacious bathroom compartment. Portside walk-up, nice face-to-face seating up here. Bow sprayer, spot for your anchor, and a beach boarding ladder. Thank you. Please give us a call, 631-956-4865.